There are a lot of young ladies that I see that might be doing internships now. I think that when they get out here, it's a different environment. I think maybe they are expecting that good old boy, looking down on the young woman who doesn't know anything, and I don't think it is that way anymore. And I feel like there's a big opportunity for women in the future. I've been with them for 18 years this year. I started out as a part-time drafter for the survey department, and we would use the information we collected off the jobs, create topos, and that grew into a whole GPS machine control technology that they invested in. That was really big the first year that I was here, and I progressively got more involved in building the 3D models and training the operators how to use the equipment, both for the superintendents and for the operators on the machines, training them how to use the technology in the cab to do the grading, the automated grading. And several years ago, I introduced the drone program, and SAE has been very good about wanting to stay up with cutting edge technology. And we started using the drones to do our topo. And it's a much safer, much more efficient system. It's so many advantages of the old way that we used to do it.